Hello everyone. The last version of my procedural volume for Eevee Next and Cycles is out, and in this video I will show you what's the new. Okay, first thing to do to start, you can add the volume on any object. And as you can see now, you have this. Now you have particle system you can enable and disable in this panel. For the compositing, I just use this simple node, glare node. Okay. For performance, I will disable. Okay. Now you can see you have the particle system. If you go in generate gen panel, you can, if you modify the property, the particle is perfectly synchronized with the volume animation wind direction. Okay. For example, if I change the direction, you have this. If you move the volume, you can see you have this result. Okay. And in this part, you can see you have the main control for the particle system, the noise, the lifetime, the scale, and the wind speed, the animation speed, and the density. In this tab, you have the shading, emission, etc. Okay. In main panel, if you want, you can set by default when you add the modifier on one object. By default, you have this selected. The mesh is the default mesh. If you want, you can select outer object, for example, the sphere. Up, and now you have this. You can select a full collection. You come in this part, the test is this collection. Okay. And you have this, the solidify option. The solidify option make you can use now the apply now the volume on a flat object like the text. For example, select just the text and in edit. Okay, you can disable this or this. Now if you increase solidify, you have this result. Okay. Okay. Now you can fix the default animation world transformation directly here. By default, you have the setting, the property setting on global. If you move the object, you can see you have this transformation. You can switch on local, and you have now this. And the global and local mode apply directly on the particle system, affect directly the particle system. Okay. Okay. And voilà. Okay. This update is available on my Patreon for the VIP member. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.